Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the document. Open Google Docs and load the file you want to clean up. First, determine whether you mean browser tabs or document-level tabs like the outline. Those are different. If it's the browser, position the window so you can manage tabs. If it's the document outline, open View Show Document Outline. Once done, make sure you have editing permission. Without it, you can't remove structure. Now move to the element you'll remove next. You'll now remove the specific items. For document outline entries, edit the headings. Change heading styles to normal text or apply a lower heading level. The outline auto-updates. If you meant browser tabs, close them directly with the Tabs Close button or press Ctrl or Command+W to close quickly. Once you've adjusted heading styles, use Find and Replace to catch duplicate headings and convert them in bulk so they disappear from the outline. Finish by refreshing the document to confirm the outline no longer shows the removed entries. You can also use File Version History to restore anything removed accidentally. Make sure to save a copy before major changes. If browser tabs won't close or the outline fails to update, clear the browser cache, disable extensions that alter page scripts, or try a different browser. If problems persist, sign out and back in to force a sync. This often resolves stale UI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.